So your room is 203 Australia, and here is the list of your friends. So they are Lila, Felicia, and Shiva, and this is your homeroom teacher, Miss Ira. So homeroom teacher will teach you about the performance in the exhibition. Okay. Enter the room. Hello, this is your new friend. Okay, this is Anggi. And you can put your bag here.
Thank you.
Okay, this is your bed with your friends. And this is the timeline for the first day until the last day. And this is the rules. So you have to read and do the rules properly. And then there are a fan, an air conditioner, and a lamp. But if you don't use it, please turn on.
Okay.
Turn off. I'm sorry. And then about a laundry schedule is in the Tuesday and Thursday. So there is a laundry express, and the cost around 600 rupiah per kilogram. Okay, and you can use the telephone right here if you need any help to call someone. And there is a number here. You just put the telephone and click the number, and there is connect to the room. Okay, do you get it? Okay.